Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Does knowing only the temperature and pressure fully describe the condition of the air in a sealed room? Explain your reasoning. Yes, it does. The condition of the sealed room is fully described by the temperature and pressure because these are the independent properties. The air in the room, assuming it is a simple compressible system. We can dive in a little bit more and explain the other properties. So we talked about temperature and pressure. Next, if we assume that it's ideal gas, then we have to consider volume and the number of moles or the mass. If we assume it is in real life, then we got to consider humidity and the composition of the air in the room. So number 4, we assume that it's a simple compressible system. However, if it is real life, we don't know the true composition of the air, so this may affect the system's behavior. Okay, so those are the assumptions and extra variables to consider depending whether we're going for ideal gas or a real life scenario. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video on your PC just in case this video or the channel gets in trouble. I do follow all copyright laws as best I can. Okay, so use your snipping tool and save it. For those that are not familiar, follow the steps. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. You can find it on your taskbar, or you can use your Windows search and type in snipping tool. Alright, so click on the video option, click on new, then left click drag your rectangle, cover the YouTube screen, then hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, wait for the video to finish, hit the red square button to stop recording, save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe if you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Share with your friends because this is a made up question so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.